What's good with y'all boys, man? It's your boy SRT Rick, and we back. Different type of banger, you feel me? We about to be doing a POV drive, man, at night with the lights on, you feel me? You got the starlights popping off and shit. You mean? But, yeah, sit back, grab a snack, and enjoy the car, man. Enjoy the ride. POV at night in the Scatpack, as you can tell by the title of the video. Yeah. Hold on, let me get in that tracky, that track mode real quick. You mean? Ooh, chill. Oh man, hold on. I need y'all to hear this. Sit back, grab a snack, and enjoy the ride, man. I ain't gonna do too much talking, y'all. Just let y'all enjoy the car. Guy behind me because I was trying to cut up with him. I was just downshifting, bud. He trying to get on ass, ain't he? Who the f is that? Do I know you? Do I know you? Huh? What you flicking at? Do I know you, bro? I don't even know if I know this. Track mode would be feeling so crazy. Oh shit, 12. God, is that two feds? That would be hilarious. Because I'm behind them, so they can't do nothing. Bro, why are two of the same cars in front of me, bro? That's funny as shit. I don't know. It might be 12. Why you slamming on your brakes, bro? You trying to get behind me? Don't get behind me because you know it's gonna be. I ain't playing with this. Oh, they splitting up. Oh, one trying to get me, one not. Who know about this one, gang? Oh, you got time. Damn, what's up with all these fucking red lights, bro? I don't got time for this nut shit. I got some place to be. Oh shit, did somebody just hit a pole? Yo, I think boy just hit the pole over there. Yo. Oh, they really got some. Oh, this is new. I haven't came up this road in a minute. That's new. No bull. What the hell? Oh yeah, it was him. That hit the pole. I'm telling you, bro. I knew I wasn't tripping, bro. That hit the street pole. It just gave him a flat tire. I knew I wasn't tripping, bro. I knew I heard that. I'm like, yo, somebody just hit a pole. What the hell? Learn how to drive. But all right, y'all. So I'm pulling up to my location now. I'm I'm gonna pick the camera back up after we leave here. And it's gonna be really dark then. It's gonna be real, like a real nighttime POV. Let me give you another pull before I go down. We might need to get some gas too, I ain't gonna lie. Oh my God, chill, Scat. Drunk. Oh my God. All right, y'all. I'm gonna catch up with y'all in a minute. Boom! Oh my God, chill. I don't even think I'm in fucking track mode. My bad, y'all. We back, man. We back, baby. Oh my God. Oh my God, chill. Chill. Go ahead. Yo, I wish I could listen to music with me, bro. Like, YouTube and that nut-ass copyright boy. Pull up with some shit super fast. He said, go ahead and make the wrong move. We sent 100 shots. You ain't surviving. You ain't Young Dolph. He said, walk inside my closet. You gonna think you in the Louis store. Oh, another tunnel. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, shit. I downshifted too early. My fault, y'all. I ain't downshifted too early. I ain't downshifted enough. My bad. Go ahead and make the wrong move. Oh, that truck trying to get over your bug. I hope you ain't trying to get over this lane, gang. Hell nah. You ain't making it, bro. Y'all could witness the dumb shit people be doing. That's what I like about these POV drives. Hold on, I gotta shut this thing up. Who your favorite artist right now? A lot of rappers are not like. I haven't seen anything about Lil Durk lately. Lil Baby been quiet. Ever since this Diddy shit came out, everybody been quiet. I don't know what's going on. No bull. Lil Baby hasn't been talking. I mean, I'm not saying they have anything to do with that shit. I'm just saying Lil Baby has not been talking or nothing on the gram or nothing. I haven't heard shit about Durk. Who else ain't been talking? Stay tuned for that A Boogie album, y'all. Because his girl just broke or cheated on him, I think. So, you know, when A Boogie getting his bag, bro. Yeah. He said, I can't trust these bitches. I don't need no. Wondering why I ain't got no feelings in the coupe too. I ain't got no, yeah. But I admit I did it. Fuck on your sister and you know I did it. Oh, he drew. Ooh! Ooh! Oh my God. Bro, look at the distance I just made with all them cars back there, bro. Yo, the Scat be moving, bro. Scat be moving. People be talking down on the Scat all crazy, like the Scat ain't really like that. Stop playing with the Scat top. So unfortunately, y'all, I'm getting to my next location, but I'm gonna pick the camera back up when I leave this location too. So stay tuned, y'all. I'm gonna teleport. I'm about to teleport to the next POV. Ooh! Right around in the stars, bro. Yeah. All right, y'all boys. Like I said, man, we spawned back into the next POV. And let me put us back in track mode real quick. Matter of fact, I like my custom, John. My custom is track with the traction on sport and steering on sport. Because if you got a Scat or whatever, or a mopar in that sense, you know the track steering I don't really mess with it. It's a little too tight, but I'm gonna let y'all hear the car real quick. Oh my God. Trying to jinx myself or nothing, but I'm always getting into a chase around this time, so I gotta relax for real. I ain't feeling the chase right now, but if they do get behind me, I'm not stopping. Speaking of the devil, oh no, that's not a cop. I was about to say. They're always creeping on this road too. Yo, my starlights, I got 5% set all around, and my starlights are so bright, bro. You can see them from outside my window. I don't know if I like that. Oh shit, I ain't even noticed. We got no gas. Ain't nothing new around here. I'm not getting it tonight though. I'm getting that shit in the morning. Oh shit, we coming under the tunnel, y'all. Light. Pistol in your party don't seem right. Is that a Mustang? Is the Mustang gonna play? I wanna see. I wonder if the Mustang wanna play real quick. Let's see if the Mustang wanna play a little bit, man. I don't know, man. He looking like he won't play. He over there bitching. Oh shit. I'm loving these green lights. Oh my God, my car is popping like a motherfucker. Track. That's the thing about track mode. Your car pops a lot. I like it. Oh my God, another green. That's what I'm talking about. Yo, are y'all seeing this right now? I'm getting blessed with green lights right now. Oh, it just had to be that one oddball. It just had to be that one. I wish y'all could listen to music with me, bro. You know when you leave your girl crib and you on your way back to the crib, and it's like you put that song on. I can't lose when I'm with you. I'm definitely gonna need gas in the morning. I don't got my license plate down. that 12 behind me? Better calm down, boy. Oh no, that wasn't 12. That wasn't 12. Oh shit. My starlights are bright, bro. This joint tough. Y'all fucking with it? Damn, don't mind my hair right now. My shit look crazy. Hold on, put my hood on. Alright, y'all, man. I'm getting to my destination and shit. So, I'm gonna give y'all one last pull through the intersection real quick. Through the intersection. But alright, y'all, that's a POV, man. I haven't done one in a while. I was waiting to do one for y'all boys and girls. I was like, ain't no better time. Might as well pick up the phone and start recording. So yeah, if you like the video, if you like these POVs, man, let me know. Let me know if I should do more of these. I love doing my POVs, so y'all get to hear the car and shit. Subscribe if you're new. Leave a like. Comment something, man. I read all my comments. I'm gonna do one more pull for y'all. I know I said I'm gonna do one more, but I'm doing more. But alright, y'all, it's your boy SRT Rick, man. I'm out.
At the table like I got them bucks. Youngest turn, nigga out my city. Ain't had much right where you from.
Keep that fire on me like Richie, I'm out of Tampa, I got them bucks.
Yeah, I got
Keep
them
2 quarters on me, that's a 50 ball, make it touchdown, Andrew Luck.